one way or the other, you know. Let me introduce myself. Hi everybody, welcome back. I am Ruben, aka Funk Soul Brother. I'm out here today on the Texas coast. I am accompanied by Mike with Texas Fishing Force, good friend of mine. Also a couple of his buddies, a couple of the guys that are in a fishing group with him. So we came out today. It is very windy today, very breezy. I think the wind gust is supposed to be around in the 20s by this afternoon. Sun just came up, got my second speck on. So hopefully y'all will catch me hooking up with some more. Thanks for coming back, and don't forget, please hit that subscribe button anytime during the video. It costs you nothing. Thanks for coming back. There we go. Finally. Yep. Man, made me work for it. They're still there. Yep, they're still there. All right, got him on this Chickenboy lure. I think it's gonna be undersized, but we're gonna take a look at him anyway. Lure's all caught up. 15 1/4. Nice pre-sunrise bite. Speckled trout, a Chickenboy lure. I'll let him go. There we go. Golly, come on. You want to come here? Come on, bro. There we go. Better, bigger speckler. They're just chasing this bait fish along the grass. See him blowing up. Let's get this guy here. Ooh, my line just broke. How crazy is that? Oh yeah, he swallowed it. Man, he swallowed it. Let's see where he's at. He is 18 1/2 inch speckled trout. Let's take a look at him real fast. Look at this guy. He is just gorgeous. See that? He just swallowed that hook. Hoping I can get it back out. I might just put him on ice. We'll see. What? Yeah, I caught him on that Chickenboy lure. I'm gonna put him in here. Let's slide him forward. There we go. Take that energy drink out. All right. Here, this marsh system, finally. You know, this marsh system's not too close to the landing. But you know, we had saw so much action in this main channel that just took a little longer to get in here than I thought it was going to, just for the simple fact that I just want to keep throwing at everything, you know. There's a lot of stuff moving around. So I want to get back in this marsh and see if we can find ourselves some reds. Trying to target some reds today. Ooh, nice flounder. Man, he just freaking nailed it. Got him on that down south lure. $16 1/4. I thought it was a little bigger than that, but I definitely will take him. 16 1/4. I got him right here on that Goldeneye jig head. He just shredded my lure. I might have a few more casts in that thing, but not very many. But yeah. Here he is. Nice 16 and a quarter inch. Gonna put him in the bag. Fish those drains. Fish the drains, fish the drains, fish the drains. I'm getting there. What is, buddy? Oh. Come on. Come on. Little small red, but there we go. Yay! Little red. He's gonna be undersized, but he is a purdy guy. Okay. Got him on a voodoo shrimp. Little rat red. Gonna wake up. Nice blue tail. Thanks for the fun. Little red. What I was needing to complete a slam. He's not slot, but still fun. You know, you don't hardly ever see me throw artificial under the cork. Out here fishing with a few guys today, and you know, I've seen them having success, so I said, you know what, let me try. It'd be a nice thing to put in my arsenal. Give me another weapon against these fish. Trying to land a fish, so that's cool. I'll do it again. Hopefully catch another one. Alright, so that's pretty much do it for me today. I came out, met up with Mike from Texas Fishing Force, him and a couple of his friends. We spent most of the morning, you know, chasing some specks. We did run into the marsh and a little back lake, trying to land some reds, but yeah, they just weren't there today. Ended up today with a little mini slam. You know, I caught an undersized red, caught a couple slot specks and a slot flounder, but you know, just had a good day. Always a good day out here on the water. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. All my regular and viewer subscribers, I really appreciate all of you. Thank you for your continued support and helping the channel. Hopefully next time you'll catch me hooking up. Thanks.